What's up, YouTube? We're going to be doing a review on a Craftsman impact wrench. It's a 19.2 volt, model number 917339, measured at 200 foot-pounds of torque, and it's pretty accurate on that. Throw that out. This is a box that comes in. You get that extension right there that comes with it. It comes in this nice black bag so you can take with you wherever you need it. So here we have the impact wrench itself, the charger, extra battery. Okay, here what's included in the package. You got the 1/2 inch impact, you got the 2 batteries, 19.2 volts, and the battery charger. Okay, the battery easily connects to the impact wrench as so. Forward, reverse. The one thing I do like about this impact is it has a nice LED light right there on the bottom. Every time you hit the trigger, it's gonna light up. One thing I don't like about it is it doesn't have a battery indicator of how much you're charged at. So basically when it stops working efficiently, it needs to be charged and replace the battery with another one. That's why there's 2. And we have our click style torque wrench right here. And these are supposed to be torqued at 95 foot-pounds of torque. What I'm going to do is first, I'm going to loosen 2 of them. Then I'm going to torque them to 95 foot-pounds. Okay, we're going to go ahead and run down these lug nuts. Just get it started first. I'm not running these down all the way, I'm just getting it snug, and then I'm going to torque them. Alright, now let's get ready to torque it. We're going to go ahead and set our torque wrench to 95 foot-pounds. There we have our foot-pounds, and I'm going to put it to 95 foot-pounds. Okay, we're going to go ahead and torque them to 95 foot-pounds. And again, I'll show you that it's at 95. Alright, just gotta tighten it till you hear the click. There you go, that's what you're looking for. Now this last one. There you go, that's it, you're done. Okay, we have this in the reverse position, and we're going to go ahead and try the top 2 that are torqued to 95 foot-pounds. There you go. Just going to go ahead and put them back and torque them back to 95 foot-pounds. And we put it into the forward position and tighten them down. Okay, that's going to be it for this review. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Please comment, like, subscribe. Good evening.